Today I'm going to talk about a mission, fasting for 6 reasons. The questions are, what are you going to fast? Answer, I, Brian Bailey, am going to fast for 21 days without food, starting in Palm Beach County at the same time while starting to write a book called Wisdom Starts at the Age of 35. I will be carrying a backpack that's black and red with a laptop with charger, a business plan for a production company, and a pre-existing company called Blackwater Dive Experts that's up for sale. It will have my passport, driver's license, ATM card, iPhone 5 with charger cord, and a gray and white case. Also, there's a shaving razor, fingernail clippers, and mirror with soft soap, shampoo, and lotion, Bluetooth speaker with charging cable. I have only one black sweater along with one black raincoat, one pair of board shorts, and a pair of pants with 2 shorts and 3 pairs of underwear, 3 pairs of black socks, and 2 gray t-shirts. Question: why are you fasting? While in worship 3/4/18 at service at Christ Fellowship, a community leader known as Pastor Sean spoke of what he was going to do himself. I then decided to follow a leader and try this challenge, which I never knew what fasting meant. I am taking this challenge to be a better being and have more respect for myself and my surroundings, such as the air I breathe and the ground I walk on. The United States of America, along with every other country on this earth, my home state of Florida, structures, shelter, people, family, friends, ocean, fresh water, farmers, construction engineers, builders, electricians, plumbers, business owners, and any other working and worshiping people that I may have left out, and for the power of God, who I am trying to learn more about every day. I have also gained some unwanted fat on my body within the last 2 years and would like to trim it down. Question: when are you fasting? Answer: March 12, 2018 for 21 days to April 2nd, 2018. While being out in the community during this mission, there might come a time that I come across a person in a homeless situation. If that possibility arises and we are able to strike up a conversation, there are 3 questions I will ask that are listed below. Question: for the homeless: what do you need? What would you like? And have you ever done any community service? While listening to the people and only being a civilian who would like to make a difference, here's my plan of action: to write down and listen to the answers of these individuals. If they allow me to record and write their names for later documentation, I will. I would like to get these answers in front of a leader within the community to help assist. Thank you for watching.